Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview of the brand new Koenigsegg Jasko from the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. Koenigsegg's latest hypercar inherits its name from the owner, Christian von Koenigsegg's father, who helped the company when it first started. The Jesko comes in to replace the Agera line, so we may see many variations of it over time. It's limited to just 125 cars, with 83 orders already being taken at the time of publishing. Constructed mainly from carbon fibre and Kevlar with a carbon fibre monocoque, the car has a curb weight of around 14-20 kilograms. It is powered by the rear-mounted 5-litre twin-turbo V8 that we have seen from Koenigsegg before, but now significantly reworked. It has a standard output of 1262 brake horsepower, but this can be increased to 1500 brake horsepower, with a torque peak of 1,106 pounds-feet on E85 petrol. As the car has just been unveiled, there aren't any performance figures, but Koenigsegg have aimed to beat their own record with a real-world top speed of 300 miles per hour. This car features lightweight forged carbon wheels with a centre-locking nut, a manufacturing style seen before on the 1-to-1. These are 20-inch at the front and 21-inch at the rear. The Jesko produces up to 1,000 kilograms of downforce, so we can now take a look around the exterior at all the contributing components and other elements. At the front, we find an extended front splitter that sends air through and under the car. It twists into slight wings laterally. We also find full canards above. The headlights are now far more angular than before and come with an aggressive curved daytime running light strip on top. Looking at the bonnet, we see this S-duct structure that funnels air from the front splitter over the car for extra downforce. On either side, we find exposed carbon lues to help improve stability and airflow at higher speeds. Now moving along the side of the car, the sweeping side skirts finish with these added winglets. Above these are additional winglets that further assist with lateral airflow in an area that's usually lacking. Moving back up and at the rear, we find the large carbon fibre dual-level wing that extends out in Koenigsegg's now characteristic fashion. Underneath, there's a small port where we can see the triplex suspension, another characteristic feature of Koenigsegg. The new slim brake light sits under the now graceful lines of the rear body panel. Below, we find the dual-exit in-canal exhaust system that is bound to sound as thunderous as in previous cars. To its right is the milled aluminium Jesko nameplate, proudly displaying the Swedish flag. The large 4-fin carbon diffuser sits below and helps to control air flowing from the undercar venturi tunnels. We can now move into the car using the buttons on the key, or choose to open both doors and the front and rear clamshells in display mode. The mirrors automatically fold away when the doors open. We are first welcomed with a carbon sill plaque emblazoned by, once again, Jesko and the Swedish flag. Looking inside, we find a newly designed interior that is more closely related to that found in the Agera than other Koenigsegg models, with leather and Alcantara in addition to exposed carbon. The Alcantara and carbon steering wheel comes with digital displays that always display upwards for easier use. The floating screen ahead is not attached to the dash, but instead the carbon panel that sits over the upper part of the steering column. There's a dial ahead of this, with an adjustable air vent centrally. Below this, we find a new touchscreen display with Koenigsegg's gear selector for its new 9-speed, light-speed gearbox that comes with a separate clutch for each gear to ensure very rapid gear changes of just 20 milliseconds. The lightweight, carbon buckets behind come upholstered in quilted Alcantara with contrast leather and 4-point harnesses. Moving back outside, the front clamshell can be lifted up and used to store the removable hardtop. So that concludes my exterior and interior overview of the Koenigsegg Jasko from the 2019 Geneva Motor Show. Please subscribe for all the latest content, and until next time, thanks for watching.